Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Ram Pickup 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, power outlet, power steering, driver airbag, passenger airbag, split bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, front floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.